create a terrain for your racing game. First we need to, from generator, create a Perlin. Okay, this is your terrain. Now you need to create a bias gain and erosion and height output to output the height map for Unity. First we need to create a terrain. Double click. Okay. First we need to find proper scale, height, sharpen, scale. Okay. Now you need to double click on the erosion. Use your target erosion. This is a good erosion setting. Nice. Select on the erosion and find proper setting. Okay. We need empty space at the center of the terrain for racetrack generation. Okay, you need an empty space for racetrack generation. Or racetrack can be here. Nice. Also you can use different erosion. And from here you can control the height of the terrain. Okay, we need the empty space here for racetrack generation. Now you can double click here and select your path. Use this option and enter your file name. And write to disk. Okay. Now inside Unity, we need to duplicate one of the racetracks. One of the racetracks, for example, a Stadium Ray, new track. Okay, this is our new track. You can see size of the track here. Create a new terrain. And import your height map. This is the exported height map size. Default setting is good. Okay, now we need to delete old terrain. And as you can see, the new terrain is same as here. Reduce pixel error to see the real terrain. As you can see, the terrain looks very realistic and beautiful. You can delete the scene, object, delete race manager, camera, spawn point, checkpoint manager, where points in objects, side, road. Okay, now we have a terrain, just need texturing. Select this one. You need to use terrain toolkit repackage.